Meet Mr. Jackson, lives in Dubai. Due to COVID-19 situation, he had to work from home. To make his workspace comfier, he was planning to buy some modern home office furniture. But he could not decide where to buy the best quality office furniture near him. Searching over the internet, he found Mahmayi Office Furniture. Going through their website, he got to know that it is a leading wholesale distributor of commercial office furniture throughout the UAE. He was surprised to know that they have a broad range of office furniture items like computer cables, office desks, storage cabinets, ergonomic office chairs and more in different colors, materials and sizes. All their affordable home office furniture ranges are available with 5 years of warranty. Even they free delivered all your orders at your doorstep with professional fitting assistance. So, without thinking further, he immediately placed an order. If you're in the need for same, browse through https://mahmayi.com/. For more query, contact at +971 42212358.